Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook Vietnam rice paper rolls with alfalfa sprouts recipe. And it could be a lunchbox menu ideas. Let's get cooking. The ingredients we need are 10 grams of alfalfa seeds, 1 liter bottle or quart jar, bowl and a cloth. This is after the seeds are washed and soaked in water for 8 hours in a dark room. Close the jar with filter cloth and drain it. Rinse and drain it 2 to 3 times. Repeat this step every 8 hours. Put the jar in a bowl in oblique position so that the water is completely drained. Now, cover the jar with a cloth and store it in a cool place, and let's see the result day by day. Day 1. Day 2. Check it every 8 hours a day, whether there are seeds that do not grow. Take out the ungrow seeds. Day 3. In day 4, open the cloth cover, put it in a place exposed to sunlight. But avoid direct sun so that the leaves do not grow. Day 5, harvest time. Clean and rinse it. Actually, you can harvest at any time according to the length you want. They can be processed immediately or stored in a container covered with tissue. You can use this kind of container, or this kind of container. Don't forget the kitchen towel. Let's make a dish. Put 1 cup of mint leaves in a blender. 1 handful of basil leaves, 1 handful coriander leaves, 1 lime juice, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And blend all of it. Half onion, chop finely. In a bowl, take out 1 can of tuna. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Black pepper, mix all together and set aside. Now, take out 1 carrot, cut it lengthwise. Cucumber, cut it lengthwise. And bell pepper / paprika. Remove the seeds. King oyster mushrooms. Pour the teriyaki sauce and spread it evenly. Let it marinate for a while. Meanwhile, let's cut 3 cherry tomatoes. Set aside. Now bring back the marinated mushrooms and cook it until cooked. Prepare the rice paper. Then, wet the rice paper until it gets soft. And put alfalfa sprouts in. Carrot and cucumber. Tuna mixture. Bell pepper/paprika. And roll up the rice paper halfway. Add cherry tomato and roll up. Next roll, we need a lettuce. Blast noodles that already cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Add carrot, bell pepper, and cucumber in. Add marinated king oyster mushrooms. And alfalfa sprouts. Then roll up the rice paper halfway. Add butterfly pea flowers and roll it up. And it's done. Your Vietnam rolls is ready to serve or pack it into lunchbox. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.